Greetings, my name is Brandon Frame, and I'm the Senior Director of Social Emotional Learning at the Urban Assembly. And I am traveling throughout the country to see high quality social emotional learning in action, and my journeys have brought me to New York City, to the borough of the Bronx, to see high quality social emotional learning in action. I'm here at Fordham Leadership Academy, where they are prioritizing the social emotional academic development of young people. So I'm excited to go inside and see what their high quality work looks like. Let's check it out. Principal Cabrillos, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm doing wonderful. I'm so excited to be here. I've been on this journey across the country to see high quality social emotional learning. It has brought me to Fordham Leadership Academy to see SEL in action, high quality SEL in action. So I would love to hear from you a little bit about the work and the journey that you've been on around social emotional learning.
Our school is centered on building catering to the whole child. Success is highly needed, but so is developing people who are kind, who have empathy, people who appreciate diversity, and who are confident not only in themselves, but in the uniqueness of the world and the power that they can bring. That is what SEL is all about in our school. It lives in our curriculum, in academics.
Do you think today, while I'm here, we can go around and talk to the students, to the staff, the teachers, support staff around the work that you're talking about and how you are prioritizing social emotional learning?
Absolutely, and I know they're going to blow you away. I champion SEL because if we really are serious about preparing children for college and career, we cannot forget about building their emotional intelligence.
When I think of SEL, I think about my identity and my values.
Because I believe it is important for our students to be more self-aware about their thoughts and emotions.
Just because it's a skills that these are skills that they will need for life.
Because I've noticed that a lot of our students after COVID are coming in without kind of like the relationship skills that they need.
The social emotional skill that I'm most proud of myself in is probably self-management.
Relationship skills, personal development.
Social awareness.
Social management.
Social awareness.
Self-awareness.
Number one, I am a part of student council, so I'm representing for others every day.
Because I used to be very in the shell, closed. I didn't really speak to nobody. I wouldn't share my feelings, and coming to the school really opened that up.
Being self-aware, knowing my emotions, my needs, my wants, can allow me to look at others and know their emotions, their needs, their wants.
I'm always aware of my surroundings and I love to value other people's cultures, not just my own.
I was very nervous, shy, all that. And every single time that I would try to self-manage myself, I would just ball myself up and I would just let everything come at me. But now that I'm a senior in high school in FLA, everything is more organized.
When I first came out to high school, I wasn't really aware of the things I need to do, which made me lack in some things.
As a school, we are broken down into two houses, the upper and lower, and each house has a support team of guidance counselor and social workers.
Correlations I notice between social emotional learning and academic performance are tremendous.
My reaction to when somebody says no to SEL schools is I would try to compromise with them.
I feel like SEL is one of the best opportunities you can have to help other students.
Before I was about to get into high school, I was a total introvert. I didn't really talk to many people. I wasn't really fond of a lot of people, but I started collaborating with people in my school community. I would join clubs, I did a play, and because of that, I've grown into this butterfly out of a cocoon.
I'm more socially open to people now. I'm able to communicate with people. Before I really wasn't, I guess because I was scared, but over time, when I developed myself as a responsible person, a mature person, it helped me develop skills that I didn't think I would need in the future.
I feel like social emotional learning and skills come up more when students are just having a regular conversation with someone who they trust.
My SEL superpower.
Social awareness,
I would say it's communication and comprehension.
I think for me, like, relationship building is so important.
Urban Assembly has helped us to think more deeply about our social emotional structures, connecting the dots, helping us in strengthen the work, be more mindful of the standards.
I think that it's important for high schoolers to develop social emotional learning skills because they are so close to going out into the real world.
Two students that remind me why this work is important are Cisse and Michelle.
I like to thank my family.
Miss Wahab.
Miss Fadolo.
A shout out to my PGC groups.
Fadi.
My parents, because they taught me morals and responsibilities.
She has taught me ways on how to believe in myself, on how to come out of my shell.
Man, did you see that? It was so powerful to hear from the students, the principal, support staff, social workers, counselors around how they are prioritizing the social, emotional, and academic development of young people. I'm so excited for the rest of the Bronx, for New York City, for the United States of America to see high quality social emotional learning happening right here in the Bronx, which represents SEL Nation.